pale sambar, that is just a plain sambar. I have done before also plain sambar style, but this is yet another style of plain sambar. And here I have taken as vegetable only lady's finger. Following are the ingredients for preparing pale sambar. I have taken little ginger, 3 to 4 green chilli, 1 spoon of cumin seed, little curry leaf, little turmeric powder, salt to taste, again 2 small pieces of jaggery, little coriander leaves and 3 to 4 tomatoes sliced. Again I have taken little coconut oil for frying purpose, 1 full coconut scrape, and finally for seasoning little mustard, coconut oil and red chilli, and I have taken around 10 to 12 lady's finger. Yet again I have taken 1 cup of moong dal. Moong dal will be more tastier in this style of sambar preparation. Now let us see how to prepare this sambar. First of all, we have to fry all these items together along with this coconut scrape in adding little coconut oil. Now let us start frying the same. My pan is ready and I put that coconut oil inside it, and it is also hot, ready. Now I am going to add this coconut scrape towards it. Now you have to fry this to some extent. Now to some extent this coconut has been fried. Now toward this we'll add this tomatoes. Now toward this we'll add this curry leaves, coriander leaves. Again we'll add this green chilli and ginger. Now we'll add this cumin seed and turmeric powder. We'll add this jaggery also. Now you have to roast it for another 5 minutes and then keep it for cooling, and again grind it in a mixie. Now our tomato coconut fried has cooled down. Now we will just transfer it into a mixie and blend it very thinly. The masala is grinded and we will just add towards this pan. If you want, you can add little more water towards it. Yes. And now you can add this lady's finger towards it. Now we will wait for another 5 to 10 minutes so that everything gets cooked properly. I have not added this salt. I will be adding the salt after it gets cooked. Yes, now our lady's finger and the masala has all got cooked well. Now towards this we will add this salt as well as this dal, moong dal. And again, if you want, you can add water a little more. Now we'll wait for another 5 minutes more, and after 5 minutes we'll switch off the gas and finally we'll season it. There are only very light masala, not strong masalas like green chilli, etc. And this is very good for children because it is to some extent a soothing agent for the stomach also, because all items are just raw style. Now our pale sambar is ready. See, everything has been cooked up properly. See, here I have added this vegetable only lady's finger. You can even add potatoes or Chinese potato or tora or else vegetables also. But for me, this was really interesting because this particular bindi is from my own vegetable and fruit garden. That's why. Now we'll just season this pale sambar. Yes, now I hope everybody enjoyed this particular recipe of pale sambar. You can also just try at home once in a way. And really this is very tasty and I enjoy it very much. I think you also will enjoy it very much. So nice to be with you. Thank you.